everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let us fix this full screen problem. First, open a terminal and type the following command. Now wait for the installation to complete. As you can see, full screen is enabled. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.